أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today inshallah we are going to make tawa chicken. So here I've got all the stuff for the tawa chicken. So I've got the chicken, tomato, garlic, ginger, yogurt, the spices, salt, and the mixing bowl. And now we're going to wash the chicken. So that's the garlic and the ginger. Squeeze of lime or lemon, whichever you have. And now we're going to add some yogurt. That's the salt. Okay, so that's the spices we're now adding. You can see the full spice recipe in the description. Okay, so we have the pan with the oil in. We now put the chicken on the pan or tawa. Okay, so this is how you put the chicken on the tawa separately, not overlapping each other, like so. Okay, so you leave the chicken and don't stir it at this point. Leave it as it is now on medium flame. Okay, so it's been about 6-7 minutes. We're now going to flip the chicken. Okay, we now added the tomatoes. Okay, we're going to put the lid on now for the tomatoes to get softened. You know, with a tawa you could put any lid on, but coincidentally this lid from another part fits like a glove. As you can see, it's a big tawa. It's about 16 inches in diameter. As you can see, tomatoes are softened now, so you don't need the lid anymore. Just gonna get cooked without the lid now. Okay, so all the water needs to be evaporated. As you can see, it's almost done. That's the lemon or the lime. Get the fresh coriander and the chilies. Okay, so I've got half onion and half bell pepper. This is optional, so we're gonna sprinkle this over. The tawa chicken is now done. It came out really good, mashallah. Yeah, we have these long naans, Afghani naans. I'm gonna eat it with this. Okay, so let's try the chicken. Bismillah. Mashallah, that's really good. Thank you for watching our video, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.